Rain, rain, go away. Please come back another day. So I can start working, so I can start gigging, so I can start delivering. Yo, it is pouring rain out here, man. Here we go. Here we go. First batch. First batch of the day, $19. Oh shoot. Itty bitty baby batch, $19. 13 minutes away delivery. Did the shopping pretty quick. I had to refund one item, so it's probably gonna go down a little bit, but that's all good. Let's get it. $19 batch to start the day off, which is not that good, but it's better than nothing. The delivery was only what, like 13 minutes away, and it was only like 14 items. Okay, so we just dropped that off, and right when I clicked delivered, I got a $21 batch. It's 41 items though. 41 item shop. Now that may seem like a lot, like what? 41 items for $21, but it's 1 mile away. 1 mile away, and it's at the store that I do the most. So I'm gonna fly through that. Easy for me. This is definitely a lot. Oh, where am I going? I hate when I do that. This is definitely a lot for $21. My man, yeah, you seen that, right? You see me make the U-turn. Oh my gosh. Yo, man, look at this order for $21, bro.
$21.
That's it.
It was 99 cents.
Finally! Yes, let's get it. I swiped the 101. Costco drop, baby. Woohoo! Hell yeah! And the crazy thing is, I'm right down the street from Costco. I'm like, dang, I'm gonna miss Costco drop. So what I did was, soon as I noticed I was about to miss Costco drop because I was in there getting my water and my other favorite water, soon as I was in there, like, and I looked at the time, I said, oh man, it's 9:58, I'm gonna miss Costco drop. I was refreshing, they was showing no batches yet. So I knew that they didn't drop yet because they'll show batches, you just won't see the best ones, right? And I'm like, all right, let me make my way towards Costco. I drove a little bit towards Costco, and then I'm like, look, the batches are about to drop. I got good connection. I know Costco is like right down the street. Let me just park right here, you know what I mean? And just hope for the best. So I pulled over, right? And I sat there, refreshing. Boom, all the batches dropped, and right in the middle, it was like 10 batches that dropped, right in the middle, 101. Swipe, let's get it. Team run it up. You already know what it is. Well, I'm on my way to go do a 101 Costco. Let's get it. Oh, yes, about time. Let's get it, Costco. All right, so this order is a double order. 7 items for one, 18 items for the other one, and it's pretty easy, actually. I looked at the items, nothing crazy. Yeah, let's go in here and run it up. You already know what it is. This puts us ahead. This is what we need for the day. Let's get it. Team, run it up. I am in the car about to deliver this order, and I'm a little bit upset because it was like 4 things I had to refund. Like that stresses me out for a big order, especially. Like, I just want to find everything. They didn't have the cupcakes, they didn't have the brownies. Like, come on. And it's like the pastries, and that's like, you know, people love that sweetness. Like, that's the sweet tooth. Like, you want to have all those items, man. Anyways, it's all good. So it may go down. Hopefully not too much. It is what it is at this point. We just gonna do what we gotta do. Let's get it. We turn around time, we ain't even thinking about it. Get to another batch. Let's get it. All right, fam, so it's 11 o'clock right now, and we're sitting at $132.23. because that last batch did go down 10 bucks, but hey, that's all right. I'll take it. $91 for that batch. Still a great batch. And we're on our way back to look for another banger. Let's get it. All right, fam, so we're back at the store. We just swiped the 34, 36, I'm not sure, but it's 29 items, 4 miles away. A great turnaround batch. That turnaround time, we running it up. We really running it up today, man. So I had to come back and grab another paper towel because one of mine was ripped and I didn't see it until I got to the cashier. So yeah, easy batch though. About to go deliver. Let's get it. All right, so today we on a hot streak. We on a hot streak today. I'm outside the store. It's raining. Usually rainy days are garbage, but today we on a hot streak. You know what I mean? I just swiped the 65 2 miles. 65 2 miles. I'm about to go in here and run it up. Team, run it up. Let's get it. So yeah, we back at the store right now, and it is wait, no, that's the price actually. I'm at $231, right, for the day, and it is 1:44 p.m. Let's get it. We've been running it up today. I'm looking for another banger, in hopes to try to make like close to 300, if not more than 300, before I wrap it up and go home, because I'm not gonna work late today. I'm trying to stop before 4 o'clock, so hopefully we can make 3 before 4. That'll be nice. Y'all know where we are. Costco came through with the lickety split. Let's get it. 37, nothing too crazy, but it's easy. 4 miles, double. I think it was like 18 items or something like that. I think, maybe more, I'm not sure. Let me look again. 17 items, my mistake. 17 items, 37, 4 miles, double. Let's get it. Easy. That's a wrap. We good to go. Let's get out of here. All right, fam, so this is it right here. It is, thank you car. It is 2:55 p.m. and I just swiped a 44. This is definitely gonna put us over 300 for the day. And yeah, it's not even 3 o'clock yet. Well, it's gonna be 3 o'clock in 5 minutes, but it's not 4 o'clock, and hopefully I can finish it within the hour. It's a single shop, 9 miles, so it's gonna be a bit of a drive, but that's all good. And yeah, after this we're gonna hit the DoorDash dinner hour. Let's get it.